Hello and welcome to the Wizard Factory guided breathwork session. Allow yourself to relax to the maximum extent possible. Find a comfortable position, either lying on the floor or in a comfortable chair, and relax. Are you ready to begin? Round 1. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Go with the flow of your breath. Breathe in, out. In, let it go. In, out. Fill your belly, fill your chest. Let it flow. In, fully out. Keep your breathing circular with no pauses between. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. In, out. In, out. 10 more. Let's go. Breathe in, let it go. In, out. In, out. In, out. Breathe in, 5 more. Out. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. Last one. Breathe fully in. Let go. We'll hold our breath for 1 minute. Be fully present in this moment. Let your body do its work. Be aware of your body. Relax from the top of your head all the way to your toes, your back, your neck, your hands. Almost there. If you'd like to prolong your breath, pause the video and then continue when you feel ready. All right. Recovery breath in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Let it go. Round 2. Get back into that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. Get into the flow. In and out. Circular. Fully in, fully out. Fill your lungs. Fill your belly. And exhale. In, out. In, out. In and out. Fluid. In, out. Smooth and circular. Keep going. In and let it go. Fully in and out. In, out. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. In, out. 10 more. In, out. Fully in, fully out. In, let it go. Nice and deep. 5 more. Fully in, fully out. In, out. In, out. Last one. Fully in, and exhale. 1.5 minutes, we'll hold our breath without oxygen. Feel. Be aware of your body. Allow your feelings to be whatever they are. If your hands and feet or your face is tingling, that's totally fine. If your body temperature is changing, that's normal. Completely relax. You're doing great. If you need to breathe before the cue, that's okay. If you would like to extend to hold your breath for longer, just pause the video and then continue when you're ready. Almost there. Three, two, one. Now fully in and hold for 15 seconds. Imagine your third eye activating. Exhale in 3, 2, 1, and let go. Let's begin round number 3. Get back into your rhythm. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. In with relaxation, out with stress. Fully in, let it go. In and out. Into your belly. You're doing great. Keep it circular, keep it moving. Fully in and out. No pauses. Fully in and out. In and out. In with peace, out with stress. In and let it go. 10 more. In and out. In and out. Nice and deep. Almost there. 5 more. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. And fully in. And let it go. We'll hold our breath out for another 1.5 minutes. Be totally present in this moment, being aware of your body, all of the systems. Feel the blood in your veins. Feel the heart beating inside your chest. Feel, allow whatever's coming to the surface, just let it come and let it go. "30 seconds. You're doing wonderful." Almost there now. If you'd like to prolong, pause the video and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. All right, now breathe in and hold for 15 seconds. Activate your pineal gland, your third eye. Exhale in 3, 2, 1, and let it go. Let your breathing return to normal. Begin to move your body, beginning with your fingers and toes. Everything is returning back to normal. Find your natural breath. I hope you enjoyed this guided breathwork meditation. I encourage you to use this as a tool whenever you need, or as a baseline for your daily practice. Thank you for choosing to spend your time here with me today. And thank yourself for showing up and doing this work. Now go and make today great.